Oh, I'm Nils from Germany. I'm here on a little jungle tour with Mr. Dennis, our guide. We've been to the floating village, where we could experience a little the local life, eating with the people, staying in their floating homes, which was quite a nice experience. And now we are on the river, traveling upstream to see some jungle, and it is also quite nice. The jungle is beautiful. There are a lot of
You know, one a monkey is there. You see in the front of?
That's another one, huh?
Yeah, another one.
What kind of monkey is it?
It's macaque.
Macaque.